This is USA Raft in Erwin, Tennessee. You can see it's a pretty cool location. They had a wedding here last weekend. And this weekend there's a big festival. They have bell tents that you can rent. They have old log cabins that you can rent. You can set up a tent, or you can bring a travel trailer, and there is some electric hookups. There's some cabins like that one there that you can rent. And then over here, there's some more cabins. Some of them are like bunkhouses for the hikers because we're near the Appalachian Trail. And others are just like a regular little bedroom. And then the bathroom is in this building here, there, which is called the Takeout Bar and Grill. So they have live music right now. Inside that building is a bathroom, a shared kitchen. Back here, there's travel trailers that you can rent out. Some old vintage campers. The building up there with the lights is a bathhouse. And then there's a little store up further up that way. So way back there behind the tents, you can see some other campers over there. That's another campground that is called Nolichucky Gorge Campground. So I just wanted to show you this. It's a pretty cool place to come. And they do have, like I said, live music here on weekends. So I'll get some pictures and put them at the end here. Just wanted to share this with you. This is USA Raft in Erwin, Tennessee. Have a good one. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye.
I'll have to stop a stride, cause I won't have no more of this.